Hungry dogs in the neighborhood. Hungry dogs in the neighborhood. And if you're giving your dog dogs Simparica Trio for fleas, ticks, and whatever. There's other stuff in here too. It's a 3-way medication. But what I do, I crush it up in the pack here, and I mix it up in something real edible, like ice cream. Only today, it's biscuits and gravy. I put that crushed pill on the plate and put the sausage gravy on top. And I'm jamming the biscuits in there so they get some flavor. You don't want to feed your dogs too much of this, or you'll be picking your dog poops up with a sponge, or paper towels, instead of a plastic bag. Bon appetit, buddy. It's like the Buffalo Bills offense. Everybody eats. When they're playing good anyway. When the stars are in a line. You like the spice? I like it. I put mine in a bowl. God bless you, YouTube. Have a good day.